Alright, I just want to show you a little trick that I do when I'm doing SADS on my own. And I haven't shown it in previous videos. And I will eventually come up with a better idea on how to get a bar or something across the top there. It's just a matter of finding a lump of timber that will fit between here and there, so I can use the sides as support. But I've done it this way, well, this is my fourth time now. And what I do is, and I'll show you underneath why in a minute, I put a bar here. I've used the tire lever the last two times, this time and the last time, but before that I used a rod. Anyway, and I've got my my clamp there that can go both ways. So what I do is, and you can watch down the bottom there. So I do that, and that gives me enough room underneath that brings that front shaft enough so I can then put that coupling on there. And once I've got it over the harmonic balancer and in position, then I'll go back up and release that clamp and let everything rest how it should, and then I'll bolt it up. So just a little tip of my little trick of what I do. Otherwise you struggle a lot with trying to find room, and that's all you have to do is just get that shaft forward a bit so you got a room to get that coupling out. And see, I've got it to the left there as well. Oh, that's the easiest spot to get the piece on the back out, which I can't show you right now because when I bring I'm actually using my phone. If I bring the phone around the other side, it'll just be black, so no point in doing that. But you know, if you're getting the SADS out, you'll know what I'm talking about, that piece that's on the other side. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to share that with you because that's my little trick. Alright, cheers.